Video 5.8 Amazon Cloudwatch. In this video, we will cover the following topics. What is Amazon Cloudwatch? Features of Cloudwatch. Use cases of Cloudwatch. Demo of Cloudwatch. Hello, welcome back. Let us learn about Amazon Cloudwatch. Cloudwatch is simply a monitoring service that allows you to monitor the AWS resources and applications that you run. Over and beyond monitoring, Cloudwatch also allows you to react to events and even prevent service interruptions and outages. Cloudwatch will monitor and create trend reports for services and resources you're already using. Before using any Amazon Web Services, it's important to understand the pricing structure, particularly if you're intending to use the AWS free tier to follow along with this course. Please note that Cloudwatch Enhanced Monitoring is not included in the free tier. Basic monitoring is included in the price of many AWS resources. If you're not already looking at this data, you should be. Two tiers of pricing in Cloudwatch: Basic and Enhanced. With basic monitoring, the fastest refresh rate achievable is metrics every 5 minutes. If you need a faster refresh rate or more metrics or more dashboards, you will have to use the Enhanced Monitoring service. Basic monitoring provides 3 dashboards, 50 metrics, and a 5-minute refresh rate. Enhanced is generally priced by region at $3 per dashboard with unlimited metrics, which are priced in unit quantities of 10,000, 240,000, 750,000, and $1 million. It is important to note that the refresh rate for enhanced monitoring is 1 minute. No additional software is required to use Cloudwatch, as it's always part of the AWS service and resource offerings. This is true regardless of whether you use basic or enhanced monitoring. Components of Cloudwatch: metrics, alarms, events, logs, dashboards. Cloudwatch metrics provide you direct insights to whether you have sized your infrastructure correctly or not. It also allows you to make adjustments to your spend plans on services and resources so that you get data about the performance of your system. For example, if you bought one large server but only need a total capacity of 25% of this for the day, you could have instead built the architecture with 2 medium servers and run one 24 hours a day and perhaps place the other in an auto-scaling group to cover the incremental load for the smaller portion of the day. Using the insights from Cloudwatch metrics, it is easy to make these kinds of decisions. All the metrics are loaded into your account for search, graphing, activating alarms, etc. Alarms are the process of becoming informed and taking decision. It's great that Cloudwatch is constantly monitoring the environment, but we can also create alarms to inform us of various events and metrics. Alarms watch a single metric. You should think of alarms as predefined thresholds. Let's take a look at an example. Every time the application server gets to 90% CPU utilization, a sub-process in our custom application stops. Cloudwatch already tracks CPU utilization. So to put this information into action, we should create an alarm to notify us of the impending disaster. Alarms can translate into predefined actions. If the response to 90% CPU utilization is to go manually launch a server, this alarm could have an easy-to-use scaling action assigned to it to launch an additional server for you. Or it could be configured to send you a message. It really is your choice what you want the response to the alarm to be. Cloudwatch events are a near real-time stream of system events that describe changes within your AWS resources. It uses simple rules that match events and then route them to one or more target functions or streams. You can also schedule automated actions with events. Cloudwatch also provides a repository for logging. This is a brilliant way to capture all the logs on your application and web servers. For example, you manage a popular WordPress site with 12 front-end web servers. You have an unexpected event which requires reviewing the logs. Wouldn't it be nice to simply go to a single place to look up the system logs? With Cloudwatch logging, you can direct all the servers to report any logs you want, even applications specific to Cloudwatch, and review the logs with a point and click. You can also export the logs and use your favorite third-party tool to perform very detailed analysis. Cloudwatch Dashboard is a customizable home page within the Cloudwatch console to monitor your resources through a single pane. Here, resources are aggregated in one place for easy visualization. You can also create customized dashboards. I know what you're thinking. Why bother to do all this monitoring? To start with, Cloudwatch can help you answer the following questions. Are my customers getting a good experience? How are my charges impacting overall performance? Do I need to scale my environment? Where did a particular problem occur in AWS? And can I detect or prevent this problem in the future? Fundamentally, we want all our customers to have a great experience using applications at the least cost at the greatest performance per dollar spent. Some use cases of Cloudwatch. Responding to state changes in AWS resources. Automatically invoking an AWS Lambda to operate DNS entries when an event notifies that Amazon EC2 instance enters the running state. Direct specific API records from CloudTrail to Kinesis stream for detailed analysis of potential security or availability risks. Take snapshot of EBS volumes on a schedule. Log S3 object-level operations using Cloudwatch events. We are already familiar with creating Cloudwatch metrics with AWS Lambda previously. There is no specific process to create them as they are created with each resource and monitored here. Now let us take a look at the Cloudwatch console. Go to the Management Console and search for Cloudwatch. We can view the Cloudwatch overview here. Now click on Dashboards to view the Dashboards console. As I said earlier, you can create different customized dashboards here. Click on Alarms. You can view the alarm that I have created while setting up the budget. Now click on Logs to view information on logs. Go to Metrics. You can view metrics of different resources here. You can also view graphed metrics, graph options, and source here. This brings us to the end of the video. Summary. In this video, we have covered the following topics. What is Amazon Cloudwatch? Features of Cloudwatch. Use cases of Cloudwatch. Demo of Cloudwatch. In the next video, we will cover Amazon CloudFront.